Everyone, Misty Koch here, eXp Realty, Medford, Oregon. Did you know that home inspections aren't just for buyers anymore? That's right. More and more homeowners are choosing to have their homes inspected before they even go on the market. Honestly, it's one of the smartest moves a seller can make. Here's why. Imagine you've lived in your home for a while. Things are great, they look great, they feel great. Everything is awesome. Or things that you might have overlooked, but behind the scenes, maybe there's a small plumbing leak, an aging water heater, a door that sticks, or a little roof issue. Maybe you haven't noticed yet, or maybe it didn't bother you. But a pre listing inspection can catch those small things early before they turn into big, expensive surprises later on. And when you take care of those repairs ahead of time, you've given yourself such an advantage when you do decide to sell. You'll have peace of mind knowing your home is in good shape, and your buyers will feel more comfortable too. It tells them this home, hey, this home's been cared for. That's always a plus. Addressing those little fixes early can actually help you get a better sales price. Buyers love move in ready homes. And when they see that you've taken care of everything, it's been handled, they're more likely to make a stronger offer without hesitation. Besides, making repairs before you're under contract takes away the added stress and pressure of meeting your close of escrow deadline. So, if you're thinking about listing your home soon, just consider getting that pre listing inspection done first. It's a simple step that can make your experience smoother, faster, and even more profitable. And thank you for listening. And if you would like a name of a trusted local inspector I use here in the Rogue Valley, or you're just curious about what the process looks like, I'd be happy to walk you through it. I'm here, all things real estate. Again, thank you so much for listening and watching. Misty, eXp Realty, Medford, Oregon. I'll talk to you soon.